When you live in the South, summertime can mean humidity. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Abestorm SN55S dehumidifier. This is like a professional grade dehumidifier that you can use in crawl spaces and so many places. And did I mention it's super powerful? But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
This is the Abestorm Guardian SN55S, a commercial-grade crawlspace dehumidifier designed to protect your home while running efficiently. The Guardian SN55S isn't your typical portable dehumidifier. It's engineered for crawl spaces, basements, garages, storage areas, and other high humidity environments where moisture can cause expensive damage over time. The biggest feature is its impressive moisture removal capacity. It can remove up to 55 pints of water per day under the AHAM conditions and up to 120 pints per day at saturation, making it ideal for spaces up to 1,300 square feet. Despite its powerful performance, the unit features a compact design that fits easily into tight crawl spaces and low clearance basements. And installation is simple thanks to the included gravity drain hose, allowing continuous drainage without the hassle of emptying a water bucket. And one of the other good features is it's got Energy Star certification, so it helps reduce energy consumption while keeping humidity under control. Keep in mind it comes with some smart features, so it has automatic humidity control, auto restart after power outages, automatic defrost for cold weather operation, washable air filter, and corrosion resistant components designed for longer service life. Also, some versions offer the optional Wi-Fi or remote control compatibility, making it easier to monitor humidity levels and adjust settings without assessing the crawl space directly. Availability depends on the specific model though. It's super important that you keep the humidity under control because reducing excess moisture can help minimize mold growth, mildew, wood rot, unpleasant odors, and damage to insulation or stored belongings. So having one of these dedicated dehumidifiers is going to improve the overall indoor air quality throughout your home. Rugged commercial grade construction, quiet operation, and reliable moisture control, the Guardian SN55S is built for year-round performance. So if you're looking for a dependable dehumidifier for your crawl space, basement, or other high moisture areas, the Abestorm Guardian SN55S is definitely worth considering, especially when you think about the internal corrosion protection, so there's no freon leakage, a fatal flaw for dehumidifiers. To avoid this, Abestorm dehumidifiers adopt a rare earth alloy tube evaporators and internal corrosion protection advanced technology, maintaining the coil's heat transferability and minimizing regular coils getting corrosion and freon leakage quickly. And it extends the life of this dehumidifier. So I gotta say, Abestorm, wow, you thought of everything. Great job.
This thing is super cool, super powerful, and it's our first time working with the Abestorm. Honestly, I love the fact that I was able to fit this in my vehicle, and within a couple of hours, it got rid of the humidity. Nice, super nice. I could see this being so important for so many people, being able to use it in so many different ways. I even put it in the bathroom where I didn't have any windows. So we want to give a huge shout out to Abestorm for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Thanks for watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!